Hey, it's Jared from Acro. Recently, I sat down with Nicole Donnelly for our 10 Things We Love About B2B E-Commerce webinar. Here's part of our conversation.
There's so many assistant tools. Like I think in the past, companies would have to like employ the night crew, do something like that. But now we have, I mean, AI is a big thing and we could go down a huge rabbit hole there, but like just learning how to assist your customers from a customer service side, or you can have those self-service portals that we'll talk a bit more later on, but you can have your customer helping themselves. I think the more we can help our customers facilitate their own sales and their own self-service customer service items, like that's where you can really unlock being able to work around the clock, because you're open all the time. They can help themselves at their convenience.
I love that. I love to call that digital self-serve. And my dear friend Sarah Murray says, making money while you sleep. Love it. Sarah, thanks for tuning in. Love you, girl.